Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to video class. You're watching class 5, subject social, lesson 5, continents and oceans, part 2. There are 7 continents in the world. They are first one Europe, second one Asia, third one North America, fourth one South America, fifth one Africa, sixth one Australia, seventh one Antarctica. Once again I repeat the names of 7 continents. First one Europe, second one Asia, third one North America, fourth one South America, fifth one Africa, sixth one Australia, seventh one Antarctica. There are 5 oceans in the world. They are first one Pacific Ocean, second one Arctic Ocean, third one Antarctic Ocean, fourth one Indian Ocean and fifth one Atlantic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean are also known as Southern Ocean. So once again I repeat the names of 5 oceans. First one Pacific Ocean, second one Arctic Ocean, third one Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, fourth one Indian Ocean and fifth is Atlantic Ocean. Do you feel very difficult to remember the names of 7 continents? Okay, let me make it simple with this sentence. The sentence is Erin ate 9 sticky apricots at April. Let me say again. Erin ate 9 sticky apricots at April. Erin, E stands for Europe. 8, A stands for Asia. 9, N stands for North America. Sticky, S stands for South America. Apricots, A stands for Africa. At, A stands for Australia. Aprils, A stands for Antarctica. So the 7 continents are Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. The sentence is Erin ate 9 sticky apricots at April. Is it easy now? Yes. Now we will see continents and oceans in a map. First continents North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. 5 oceans are there. They are Arctic Ocean at the top, North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean. Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. Shall we have a quick recap? Asia is the world's largest continent of the 7 continents in size and population. Asia covers 1/3 of Earth's surface. Asia has 30% of land area and 60% of population. It contains the world's largest country, Asia, and the world's two most populous countries, India and China. Asia has Mount Everest, which is the world's highest peak, 8,848 meters tall. Next, Asia has Dead Sea. Dead Sea is a lake and it is 418 meters below sea level. It is the lowest point on the surface of the earth. The water in the Dead Sea is so salty so that it weighs more than the fresh water. That lets people float in the Dead Sea without any effort. Next interesting fact about Asia is the Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from space. The religions of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism and Christianity first began in Asia. The Gobi Desert is the largest desert in Asia and the fifth largest desert in the world. Gobi Desert is a cold desert where the temperatures can be very low and sometimes even snow can occur. Gobi is located in Central Asia. Next is about Arabian Desert. Arabian Desert is a hot desert located in Western Asia. It is the fifth largest desert in the world. See, Gobi is located in Central Asia and Arabian Desert is located in Western Asia. Is it clear, students? Today we are going to see about Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. It covers around 22% of the world's land area. Africa is surrounded by water bodies on all sides. See here, Mediterranean Sea lies to its north, Indian Ocean lies to its east and Atlantic Ocean lies to its west. Now we will see some of the countries in South America. See here, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia, Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Angola. Now we will see some interesting facts about Africa. Africa has 54 countries. The world's longest river Nile and the world's largest desert Sahara both are located in Africa. The world's hottest place Ethiopia is in Africa. The equator passes through middle of the dark continent and it receives direct sunlight throughout the year. Africa is also known as dark continent. More than 50% of the world's gold and 95% of the world's diamond come from the mineral-rich continent of Africa. The world also gets 66% of its chocolate from the dark continent. Victoria Falls is one of the world's largest waterfalls. Mount Kilimanjaro is the continent's highest peak. Next is about North America. North America is around twice the size of Europe. America has irregular coastline with many prominent offshore islands, including Greenland, which is the largest island in the world. North America has 23 countries and it is the world's third longest continent after Asia and Africa, and it is surrounded by Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And now we will see some important countries of North America. See here Canada, United States, Mexico, and this is the North America map, and here we have South America. North America and South America are connected by Panama Canal. Now we will see some interesting fact about North America. The world's third longest river, Mississippi, is located in North America. When compared with other continents, North America has the highest average per person income. The world's largest economy, the USA, is a part of North America. The world's largest producer of maize, wheat and soybean is from North America. The world's largest sugar exporter among the 7 continents. Cuba, also called the sugar bowl of the world, is located in North America. Next we are going to see about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent. It lies below the North America, and as I said earlier, North America and South America are connected by the Isthmus of Panama. And now we will see some important countries of South America. Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Argentina, and it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean north and south and Pacific Ocean. Next we will see about some interesting facts of South America. First we will see about Amazon. Amazon is the world's largest river and supports the world's densest rainforest. Amazon rainforest is considered to have the greatest biodiversity in the world with hundreds of different animal species, around 40,000 plant species and millions different species of insects. Next, Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert is considered as the driest place on earth and some parts of it have never received any rain. It is located in Chile. Brazil. Brazil covers about 47.3% of the continent and is the largest continent both by location and land area, and it's one of the largest countries in the world. Brazil and Argentina are important South American countries with rapid economic growth. Next is about Aconcagua is the continent's tallest mountain at 6,962 meters above the sea and is located in Argentina. The continent also has where you can find the tallest waterfall in the world, the Angel Falls in Venezuela, which has a height of about 979 meters. The continent also has second highest mountain range in the world and it is Addens. Next is about Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. It is located at the South Pole and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is also surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Over 98% of the Antarctica is covered by ice. It is the driest and coldest continent on the earth. And Antarctica, as I said already, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent based on the size. But it is the smallest in population with an official population of 0. Although some people visit for scientific research. Antarctica is also known as white continent or the frozen continent because it is covered by a thick layer of permanent ice. It lies entirely within the Antarctic Circle. So what is meant by Antarctic Circle? Do you remember? Yes, Antarctic Circle is one of the important lines of latitude. Some of wildlife found in Antarctica include penguins, seals, whales and albatross. Thank you students. Meet you all in the next video.